How to make shorts on YouTube. So first, go to your YouTube app, and then here you can just tap on the plus icon here at the bottom, and then you can just tap on short here. Okay, now here you can just press on the button here to start recording, and then for example I'm going to show you. So now it's recording. So while it's recording, you can start making your short. All right, so if you're done with it, you can just tap on stop, and then here you can begin adding your sound and then changing the seconds here. You can also add some, so you can see now you have some options here. You can add some green screen, you can change the speed, add some effects, the filters as well. So let's say you're done with all of that, you can just press on the check here. Okay, and then you can just tap on next. Okay, now here you can begin adding all of the details for your YouTube short, and then you can just tap on upload short if you're done. Alright, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.